The phrase "a good man is hard to find" is a well-known saying that reflects a common sentiment about the perceived scarcity of genuinely virtuous or morally upright individuals in the world. It suggests that finding a person of genuine integrity, kindness, and ethical character can be a challenging and elusive endeavor. At its core, this saying touches on the notion that people often face difficulties in identifying and forming meaningful relationships with individuals who consistently demonstrate goodness and moral uprightness. It implies that in a world that can sometimes seem filled with selfishness, deceit, and moral ambiguity, encountering a person whose actions consistently align with ethical principles is a rare occurrence. The saying also raises questions about the expectations and criteria people use when assessing the goodness of an individual. What qualities define a good man or a good person? Is it their honesty, kindness, empathy, or adherence to a particular set of moral values? These questions can vary significantly from one person to another, and cultural, social, and personal factors often influence our perceptions of goodness. In literature and storytelling, "a good man is hard to find" has been a recurring theme. It is frequently explored in narratives where characters grapple with issues of trust, morality, and the search for authenticity. The difficulty in finding a truly virtuous character can serve as a central conflict or plot point, highlighting the complexities of human nature and relationships. This saying also invites contemplation about the nature of goodness itself. Is goodness an inherent trait, or is it something that can be cultivated and developed over time? Some argue that true goodness is an innate quality, while others believe that it is a result of conscious choices and ethical behavior. Moreover, the saying implies that goodness is not always immediately apparent. It may take time and careful observation to discern whether an individual consistently demonstrates moral integrity. Sometimes, people may reveal their true character only after going through challenging situations or making difficult decisions. In a broader societal context, this saying underscores the value placed on moral character and ethical behavior. It serves as a reminder that individuals who consistently embody goodness are worthy of admiration and respect. In contrast, it highlights the disappointment and disillusionment that can arise when people encounter individuals who do not live up to their moral expectations. In conclusion, "a good man is hard to find" encapsulates the idea that individuals of genuine moral character and integrity can be rare and difficult to come by. It invites contemplation about the nature of goodness, the criteria for assessing it, and the challenges of forming meaningful relationships with individuals who consistently exhibit virtuous behavior. Ultimately, it underscores the enduring importance of ethical values in society and the aspiration to cultivate goodness in oneself and others.